At this point, what we need is a centerpiece. So this has a beautiful silver centerpiece. This is, as you might imagine, a nightmare to polish. It has this sort of thistly, thorny horn, like they're very pokey. I'm not sure of this maker either, but there's the stamp. So we'll add this to the middle. Okay. And the fun thing about this is it has all these little dishes. Let's see, have I had too much caffeine today? This is always the question. It looks like these dishes didn't polish quite as well as the base, but what are you gonna do? Voila!